We're going to explain how to check the error log in Fooocus. Fooocus doesn't have a single, universally accessible error log like some other software. Where you find errors depends on what type of error you're encountering. Let's break down the common scenarios. 1. Application errors. If you're experiencing crashes or unexpected behavior within the Fooocus application itself, the first place to check is your operating system's event viewer. This is a system-level log that records various events, including application errors. The exact steps to access it vary depending on your operating system: Windows, macOS, Linux. For Windows, search for Event Viewer in the Start menu. Look within the Windows Logs application section. You might find entries related to Fooocus there, usually identified by the application's name. Filter by the date and time of the error you witnessed for easier searching. 2. Server-side errors, if applicable. If Fooocus connects to a remote server, e.g. for cloud storage or collaboration, errors could be originating from the server itself. In this case, you need access to the server's logs. Unfortunately, accessing these logs often requires administrator-level privileges or direct communication with the Fooocus support team or your server administrator. They are typically found in directories specified in the server's configuration files. The exact location depends on the type of server and its operating system. Look for files with names like error log, access log, or something similar. Again, look around the time of the error you experienced. 3. Browser console errors. If the problem is related to the Fooocus web application, if it has one, check your browser's developer tools. Most browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, have developer tools accessible through a right-click on the page and selecting Inspect or Inspect element. This opens a panel. Go to the Console tab. This tab displays JavaScript errors and other warnings that might indicate problems with the Fooocus web application's interaction with your browser. Errors here usually provide clues about the specific part of the Fooocus web application that's malfunctioning. 4. Fooocus-specific log files. Some versions or installations of Fooocus might have their own dedicated log files. Consult the Fooocus documentation or help section. They may explain where to find these files. These usually contain more detailed information that the system's error logs don't give you. The location would likely be in the Fooocus application's installation directory or a designated subdirectory. Check for files with names like Fooocus log or similar variations. 5. Contacting support. If you can't find the source of the error using these methods, don't hesitate to contact Fooocus support. They'll have access to more comprehensive logs and can assist you in diagnosing the problem. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the error, including the time it occurred and any steps you took before it happened. Providing screenshots or any error messages would be extremely helpful. Remember to always back up your data before making any significant changes to your system or application configuration while troubleshooting.